here's a nice system for entry door locks. Instead of using a straight handle like this, using a lever handle on the bottom, a passage lever with a deadbolt on the top makes it less likely that anyone would lock themselves out. It's not that it's impossible, but it makes it a lot less likely because you would need the key to lock the door after you've walked out. Not like this handle where you could walk out and lock the door behind you without thinking about it. So what I'm going to be doing is changing it to this passage lever lock for the bottom handle. So get all my hardware set up here. And I'll just pop this one apart. This is a quick set handle, so all you got to do is loosen the screws and then on each side evenly, and then you're able to rotate the handle out. So insert our new latch with the curved portion facing towards the door jamb. And I'll use my drill here and just insert it. It's a good idea to set the clutch on your drill here to about 4. That way you don't strip out your screw holes. 3 or 4 setting on the drill. And we'll just aim the lever so it's aimed towards the inner portion of the door. Screwed portion goes on the inside. This actually pulls out for different setups on the latch assembly, so it's spring adjusted, so it makes it really easy to move it over. This works out really good for different door size setups, latch size, latch positioning. There's 2 most common sizes, and in this way you get away with either one the latch will work for. The 2 most common sizes are 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches, and this latch will accommodate either one. So the screwed through portion goes through the deal here, and it's easier to get this outside set first, maybe about halfway. Then you can hand thread the other side in. You don't want to set one screw down too far because then it's going to can be really difficult to line up the second screw. So you get one in about halfway and then start your second screw. I can use my drill and screw the other side down here. You can see that inner screw, I have to hold the lever down a little bit to get to it. And you don't want to over tighten your screws. Actually, one of the main causes of locks binding up is over tightened screws. So both on the latch side as well as on the handle side, if any of those screws are too tight, that can cause it to hang up. And here we just want to examine that the lever is nice and straight, no sagging. Make sure everything latches like it should. It's good to go. And this way it's a lot less likely for someone to lock themselves out because they'd have to use the key after leaving to lock the door. So there it is, a little touch up on the trim there. Be good to go.